Stop wasting your time scrolling aimlessly. This isn't coming from some blue check guru who made millions selling a dream to you. This is just some normal 17-year-old kid hitting you with the reality check you didn't know you needed. Let me be clear. You need to get serious about your health while you're still young. I get it. Everyone tells you your teens and 20s are for staying up late, eating whatever you want, pulling all-nighters, and thinking you're invincible. But bro, have you actually looked at people in their 30s and 40s who never took care of themselves? Like, that shit does not look pretty at all. All of that, I'll worry about it later energy catches up to you later, and it hits you like a fucking truck. Now look, I'm not saying I don't enjoy pizza or that I'm not tempted to binge watch an entire season on a Saturday night. I do. I mean, I literally killed a packet of Oreos before recording this. But the point is that there needs to be a balance. Imagine spending your 20s just letting yourself go, thinking it's cool to never hit the gym or eat organic fruits. You wake up one day and you're sluggish, you feel low-key depressed and honestly confused about how you even let it get this far. And that is the lifestyle that is being pushed by most people our age. And people just act like that's normal. But let me tell you, that shit is not normal, bro. But there is good news to this. You actually have control, and a lot more control than you realize. This is because when you are young in like your late teens and your 20s, this is the time when you get to choose what you eat. Like, yes, you can buy organic fruits and vegetables. Like, that's not illegal to do. And like, your body is literally begging you to move. Just do something. Yoga, lift weights, even walk your dog. And not to sound dramatic, but the habits you set now are fully the foundation for whether you're thriving at 30 or barely even able to crawl out of bed. So build the routines now and thank yourself later. But how do you actually start? And I'm not about to drop a 10 steps to getting ripped course, because to be frankly honest, I'm still figuring it out myself. But here is my loose framework that I have been following that has been getting me results. The first step is to just try as many different workouts and diets as you want in your teens and early 20s and just see what you actually enjoy. Once you do that, the second is once you find what clicks, double down, because consistently over intensity is what matters more. And then the third step is to use apps, challenges, and whatever you need to make it fun, whether that is listening to music while you're at the gym or cooking healthy recipes with friends and family. Just do what you need to do to turn your life into a video game, because there's a reason why video games are so addicting, right? So you just want to take those concepts and principles that make video games so addicting, like a reward system, doing it with friends, having fun little challenges. You want to implement those into your own life to really turn your life into a real life video game. Then the fourth step is every now and then, go and eat that pizza. Go eat out with your friends. Go have that pint of ice cream. Just don't pretend that means you have to eat like trash all week just because you ate bad for one meal. Then the fifth step is to just track your progress. You want to celebrate small wins, take progress pics, flex a little, annoy your close friends list with gym pics if you have to. Just celebrate those little milestones, because they will go a long way and boost your confidence, because you're not going to want to pursue something for a long period of time if you don't find some sort of confidence boost from enjoying the fruits of your labor. Because listen, you only get one body, and if you are lucky, you get to enjoy it for a few decades. So don't wait until you're 45 with back pain to start paying attention to it. Like, you don't want to be one of those people that notice their problems too late in life. You want to fix your underlying habits now and build the good habits so again you could reap what you sow when you are older. Because if there's one thing that you get out of this video, is that if there's one thing that you can actually control, it's how you treat your own health and your own body and your own mind, for that matter. And when you feel good, literally everything else gets easier. Money, relationships, confidence, every single part of your life gets better when you actually treat yourself better, you know? Because it's like the whole idea of dress good, feel good. When you treat yourself good, obviously you are gonna feel fucking good about yourself. So get your habits right, get your mindset right, get your lifestyle decisions right. Because health is not just about dieting and exercise. It's a holistic process that encapsulates every single part of your life. Your social groups, your personal goals that you're working towards, your values, morals, every part of your life contributes to your overall health and well-being. And the minute you start to go on some sort of like self-improvement journey to improve areas of your life that you think are lacking, whether that be the people you surround yourself with or you have weak ass goals, like the minute you start to surround yourself with better people and set more ambitious goals with yourself is when you will start to see improvement in your overall well-being, and those will eventually transition into other parts of your health like actual fitness. That's it for this little rant. If you want more unfiltered opinions or want me to answer your questions in a video style similar to this one, drop them here in the comments or hit me up on Twitter or X, whatever Elon calls it now. And yeah, go eat like an apple or some shit. That's your actionable step for this video, to go eat some healthy food or go outside, get some sunlight, touch some grass. But yeah, that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.